Alright, so I've attached one pocket just with a basting stitch, barely 1/8 of an inch around. You want to make sure that you have a very, very small basting seam allowance, because when you attach the sides, you don't want to have any of this basting stitching showing. So let's go ahead and we'll do the other one. So after we have it all clipped together, like so, we're going to first sew the bottom. So I'm using the biggest stitch possible on my Juki 8700, which is a 5, just to the end. Everything lined up. And then we get to the end. I'm just going to pivot. I'm going to sew this side, and we'll make sure that everything is lined up nicely. Okay. Then we will sew this side. And this side, we want to make sure that it keeps poofy with a little bit of bow. So we're going to go ahead and start sewing at the top. And ensuring that we keep the edges aligned. That is it. Now we have our second pocket done. I do have them marked right and left. Probably wouldn't matter unless you cared about the position of the male and the female snaps, and I do care. So I have them marked so that I make sure I put them on the bag correctly. So we have our little pockets done. They're pretty, and the next step will be to attach these to the main front and back.